If money only moves when you do, freedom stays far away. Earn while you sleep begins when you move beyond only active income, because trading time for money has a hard ceiling. Effort alone cannot scale forever. Smart earners build income that flows without daily presence. Passive income reduces pressure, burnout, and dependency. Systems replace constant hustle. Assets replace exhaustion. Disciplined planning creates multiple income streams. Income streams work silently in the background. Background income builds stability and predictability. Stability reduces fear and anxiety. Reduced fear improves financial decisions. Better decisions grow wealth steadily. Wealth continues growing even during rest. Rest restores focus. Focus improves strategy. Strategy improves execution. Execution compounds results. Leverage increases efficiency. Efficiency protects sustainability. Sustainability enables long-term wealth building. Real income continues even when you stop working. Earn while you sleep by owning assets that generate value repeatedly. Assets create income instead of consuming energy. Digital products pay again and again. Investments generate returns over time. Rental income and dividends reward patience and structure. Disciplined asset selection matters more than speed or hype. Quality assets outlast trends and market cycles. Assets reward consistency and long horizons. Income becomes predictable. Predictability creates peace of mind. Peace enables long-term thinking. Long-term thinking improves strategy. Strategy improves returns. Returns expand options. Options increase freedom. Freedom defines true wealth. Durability beats excitement. Ownership beats effort. Control beats dependency. The smartest income is automated income. Earn while you sleep by using systems instead of constant effort. Automation removes emotion from earning decisions. Scheduled processes replace daily stress. Systems work during nights, weekends, and holidays. Consistency increases reliability. Reliable income builds confidence. Confidence reduces stress. Reduced stress improves clarity. Clarity improves execution quality. Execution strengthens systems. Systems protect income from disruption. Protected income compounds quietly. Compounding multiplies results over time. Time becomes an ally. Allies reduce effort. Reduced effort increases sustainability. Sustainability allows scaling. Simplicity boosts scale. Scale stabilizes income. Stable income creates calm. Calm execution protects long-term success. Income that lasts is built slowly, not instantly. Earn while you sleep requires deep patience and discipline. Shortcuts destroy sustainability. Long-term income grows quietly without attention. Compounding rewards those who wait. Rushed decisions increase risk and regret. Disciplined pacing protects capital. Protected capital grows steadily. Steady growth beats fast failure every time. Patience builds resilience. Resilience supports consistency. Consistency strengthens income streams. Strong streams survive market changes. Survival builds trust in systems. Trust supports scaling. Scaling increases income capacity. Income stability buys freedom. Timelines matter more than speed. Calm execution wins repeatedly. Patience separates builders from gamblers. The goal of passive income is time, not just money. Earn while you sleep ultimately delivers freedom. Freedom from constant work pressure. Freedom to choose how time is spent. Income continues during rest, recovery, and reflection. Recovery improves performance. Better performance improves decisions. Decisions grow income further. Freedom increases life quality. Quality improves focus and presence. Focus protects systems. Systems protect income. Income sustains lifestyle. Lifestyle aligns with values. Values guide priorities. Priorities protect balance. Balance prevents burnout. Balance defines real success. Time becomes abundant. Choice becomes permanent. Money finally serves life instead of controlling it. Skills that scale can earn long after the work is done. Earn while you sleep by converting valuable skills into scalable income. One-time effort can create long-term value when packaged correctly. Digital skills allow replication without physical exhaustion. Courses, templates, content software, and tools work repeatedly without your presence. Disciplined creation replaces endless labor. Value delivered once can pay many times over. Scalable skills increase earning potential without increasing hours. Higher earning potential reduces dependency on constant effort. Time is freed for strategy and improvement. Strategy improves positioning in the market. Strong positioning increases demand. Demand strengthens income streams. Strong streams compound results over time. Compounding rewards patience and consistency. Patience protects quality. Quality sustains trust. Trust increases longevity. Longevity defines sustainable income. Depending on one income source is the biggest financial risk. Earn while you sleep more safely through diversification. Relying on a single income stream creates fragility. Multiple income streams reduce financial stress and uncertainty. Reduced stress improves decision quality. Diversified income absorbs economic shocks. When one stream slows, others continue flowing. Balance protects progress during downturns. Protection preserves capital. Preserved capital compounds faster. Discipline prevents overexposure to trends. Smart diversification spreads opportunity across assets and systems. Opportunity increases stability. Stability improves confidence. Confidence supports patience. Patience strengthens execution. Execution improves systems. Systems protect income. Protected income grows calmly. Calm growth lasts longer. Longevity builds real wealth. Income should not collapse when you stop working. Earn while you sleep by reducing personal dependency in income creation. Income tied only to your daily presence is fragile and exhausting. Systems create separation between effort and reward. Separation increases sustainability. Sustainable income survives, breaks illness, and life changes. Automation and delegation strengthen independence. Independence reduces burnout. Reduced burnout improves creativity. Creativity improves innovation. Innovation strengthens assets and systems. Strong assets protect income streams. Protected income compounds quietly over time. Quiet growth avoids pressure. Pressure destroys focus. Focus sustains execution. Execution reinforces systems. Systems stabilize income. Stable income supports long-term freedom. Money grows fastest when profits are put back to work. Earn while you sleep by reinvesting profits intelligently instead of consuming them. Spending profits slows momentum and weakens compounding. Reinvestment accelerates growth cycles. Compounding multiplies results over time. Disciplined reinvestment builds scale. Scale increases reach and efficiency. Reach expands opportunity. Opportunity grows returns. Returns increase confidence. Confidence supports patience. Patience protects systems from impulsive changes. Systems stabilize income. Stable income reduces fear. Reduced fear improves clarity. Clarity improves decisions. Better decisions grow profits again.